An opportunity came up to develop the creative industries within the Cardiff capital region of South Wales, but outside of Cardiff itself. The partners were the local authorities of RhCT Council and Newport City Council. So one of the things we did was a very detailed economic data study of the creative sector, trying to map that across the two local authorities. We created two networks, so the local authorities have got networks that they can continue to engage with directly themselves. Then we asked them, what do you want that network to do? And the majority of people said, we need you to help us be more successful as a business, more sustainable, get us more customers, help us with marketing, help us running our companies. So the focus of the two pilot projects was to up business skills, up business confidence, marketing skills, networking skills.
I feel immensely proud to be part of this work. The creative sector is often undervalued in the effect that it can have not only on placemaking, but really help to shape and add vibrancy to people's lives.
One of the things that we're also trying to do is support the Cardiff capital region to be able to compete with other regions in the UK. Long term, I'd like to hope that we can replicate this development model across all the local authorities in South Wales. And let's get South Wales there as number 2 in the UK for creative sector. Push Manchester out of the way, get rid of Birmingham and Glasgow, because once you get to number 2, then we can take on London.